Hi, Jackson. You didn't like your cake. You took your cake and you threw it on the floor. And who got the food off the floor? This guy, Benjamin. Your new best friend. Oh, is that cake? Oh, I love cake. I do not love cake. Get that away from me. Mmm.
You just got a cake on mine.
Take your medicine. Take your medicine. What is this, cake? Ah! The heck was that? Cake came flying in my mouth. Who did that? Uh-oh. Well, Jackson, birthdays aren't just about cake. Well, open your present.
You see his face?
Jackson.
Ooh. Got a sprinkle on yours.
Okay.